objectives as well as here the strategic planning process we have. So the strategic planning process which helps companies to which business should be operate. Then later on, how the objectives, goals are set, how business objectives should be set. That is one. What man Jack Will, what he said? If you are not thinking customers, you are not. When we talk about this, we discuss this one. Take an example of company relationship. How the departments relation with other departments. So here we establish a vision, mission, objectives and customer quality control. Then later on how it affects, because it depends upon the nature of the company. How many departments you want to establish. It depends upon the nature and ability of our company. So here first one is administration, second one is marketing, sales, human resource management, production, supply chain analysis, health and safety, then information technology. So key role, marketing plays an important role because they know the customer needs and wants. Then later on they focus on how to build a customer relationship. Then they know the needs and wants of the customers. For that they require market research. They will do market research and they will find out. So on the basis of that, marketing department itself, they don't feel that we are great because you are earning, your organization earning more profits because of marketing. You should not feel that. You should be a responsible person. And the link is built. That when coming to the administration department, it is having its own role to play it. Then marketing, then sales. So in order to give a product output from beginning raw material to end of the making a product, everyone should, each and every should have each individual responsibility in each department. So it's like a value chain. It's like a chain model. Administration, what they do. Next one, marketing, what's his responsibility. Then sales, human resources, production department. Then supply chain, health and safety. The last one is the information technology. We have a chain like this. And this organizational structure depends upon the nature of the company. And I will show you one more organizational structure here. When we compare it, this is one company's organizational structure. First one is general manager. We have a general manager. Another we have sales department management. Next, after sales department they try to sell the products and services. Okay, after selling that one, it's their job. The remaining activities should be handed over to after sales department managers. Then later on, marketing department managers. What marketing they do. Next, financial department as well as the administrative department. When you compare these both two, do you have any differentiation in organizational structure? They have differences, lot of difference because we have a health and safety, information technology, production. So this structure is for huge companies because the companies could maintain a large quantity of products and services. For that they require the first one. The second is the simplest one. We require only manager. General manager is enough for that. The general manager, he will lead sales and he will control. He will control as well as he will monitor sales department as well as marketing department, finance as well as the administrative department. So this is one kind of organizational structure. And this today's class. What is today's topic? Marketing strategies and marketing mix. Today we will discuss marketing strategies. As well as why we will create the strategies. This is to establish a well-organized what business should we operate and what are those objectives, vision, all these things. They will come under the marketing strategies. So in this one, the story is about Hero Honda. So Hero Cycle, you know Hero Cycle? So Hero Cycles, what they did is they identify the requirements of the customers. Then they manufactured bicycles in the year of 1986. Okay? Mohanlal, Munjal as well as the Pawan Munjal. There are 4 Munjals from this Hero Honda Corporation formed by 4 Munjals. So So this topic is marketing strategies and marketing techniques. So he got an idea that we need a bicycle. Asked his papa, I want a bicycle. So he purchased a bicycle for him. He is going. So after 10 or 15 years, it is Hero Honda Corporation, Hero Cycle logo, Hero Cycle Limited. Okay? Cycle. Without carry, we call it as carry. Which carries something else. So Latron, this kind of business with carry. And Latron, another segment like that. For women also they used to produce bicycles. Sorry? Light, battery. And how the battery works? Where it fixes somewhere else here. When the wheel rotates, it will generate some heat something. So with the help of that light. So this is about Hero cycles. I don't want to more focus on cycles. They come to Hero Honda. Hero Honda in 1984. Between that period, 1984 to 86. Actually, their business, they started a small business like manufacturing cycles. And it has become the largest manufacturing cycles in India. Bicycles, called as bicycles in India. And that time they had a huge demand for that. Then later on, they have linked up with Japan company like Honda. Hero is a Indian company. Hero itself actually is a main business is the manufacturing cycles. Then later on, they link up with the Japan company that is Honda. Old logo of Hero Honda. So what is the ad caption for that one? Whatever the product has, definitely I will the caption for that one. Distinctly ahead there is a Bajaj. Desh ki Dhadkan. Dhak Dhak Go. You have so many. Dhak Dhak Go, Desh ki Dhadkan. That is the oldest ad caption. Then coming to the latest, this is the latest logo of Hero. And Hero Honda has become the Hero Motor Corporation. Now it is called as Hero Motor Corporation. And what is the consonant for it? Amen. Very good. Who said? Yes, very good. Amen hai Hero. And he is? Who is he? Which Mohanlal? Munjal. Because this Hero Corporation has formed with 4 Munjals. Among those, I found only 2 Munjals. Munjal. This is Pawan Munjal. This is about Hero Honda CD100. And what Hero Honda promises the customers in the sense, we will provide a quality of products with excellence. Because excellence in our product. We purchase it and we will use it hardly 10 or 15 years. And the company itself committed that we produce the product's quality. CD100, we have another product from Hero Honda that is CD100 SS. And one of another products from Hero Honda that is Sleek. You might have known this name. Hero Honda Sleek. Okay? Why I am telling all these things? Keep it in mind because next our topic is that only. Another one is Sleek. The next one is Splendor. Then later Splendor Class, Splendor Pro. All these under one segment.
Passion Pro.
Then next Passion. First Passion. No Passion Plus. Passion Pro. Okay?
Splendor NXG.
NXG. And we have a Hero Honda Ambition also. Super Splendor, Glamour, all these things.
Ladies Pro.
Next one is CBZ or CBZ? CBZ. Next one is Hunk. Next one is Charisma. Fine, like in the sense you have like that.
Mastro.
Sorry. Under the domain segment, there is like a product like pleasure.
Latest master.
Next one is it's the latest product actually. 1 year ago or 6 months ago it was launched. It is when we think about the customers are different. First thing is their characters, the way they think, their needs and wants are different. In the morning when you are coming, I asked Venkat that we need to have a first aid kit. That first aid kit for you and for us also, is it needed or not? Please, needed. In the same case, if you are, which means how this idea come into the picture in the sense, you are traveling. So you are traveling from here to 25 kilometers in the sense, when you walk, if you go on foot, how much time it takes?
4 hours. 5 hours.
For 25 miles, here consumers, the products will come from consumer requirements only. Products will come from customers' requirements. So customers, they are desiring such kind of products. So company's responsibility is to, what is that? They have to create the value for the customers. First, they have to create the value for the customers and make them into or build a profitable customer relation with markets. I am searching for products. Which product can I operate in? Which product is it? Which kind of product can satisfy my need? What is the need? Sorry, what is my want? Maybe either that time that is needed one. Because I need to go a little bit faster to my office. Not to taking scores from our manager. So that time I need a product. So that is the idea from customer. So who will capture that idea? Which companies they will capture such kind of idea to make it into products? They will stay for a long period of in the market, and they have to provide the quality of products better than its competitors. Market. Can you agree with me? The world is itself a big market. So in that big market, companies cannot serve all customers at once. Means here we have a different kinds of customers. They have their own different kinds of needs and wants. So for a particular company, it cannot fulfill all requirements of the particular customer. This world, this big market, one company cannot serve all people at once. It doesn't serve all people, all customers. So that's why here a particular company, what it does in the sense, first it has to divide the market. This huge market. Take an example, yesterday only. Yesterday we had a cake for birthday celebration. Cake is how much the capacity space is this much. You are all the participants. So how did you have the cake?
Spoons.
How did you have the cake? The cake capacity is here. The customers are around 20 to 25. So how do you have this? By cutting it. So for Shiva, he requires large amount of quantities. Quantity is more. For me, a small is enough. For someone, a little bit. As per consumer requirements, here, what is the Pramod will cut it and give it. So why all customer at once have it? All customers at once, why do they have it? Then imagine how it is. Same principle applicable here. Take an example, this is a market. There are companies, one XYZ companies, ZM, like that. There are so many companies. So all companies or a particular company, it cannot focus on total market. It doesn't focus on total market. For that, and if it wants to focus on total market, it requires huge amount of first thing is investment is more, and we require employees, manpower. we require technology, machines. Just they divide the market. So example, what is it? Latest product is Glamour. Did you hear this now? Product name Glamour.
Yes, sir.
Glamour. For what?
It is like foundation, sir.
It's like a
Foundation.
value for them. Then build a customer a profitable relationship with them. That is market strategies. So under this marketing strategies, in order to make it correct, we have first thing is what customers we have to serve. If we serve and how. To serve the customers, they have to find first customers. Who are our customers? So under this concept, we have segmentation, the help of segmentation and targeting. Whom we serve? Who are our prospective customers? So in order to analyze it, we go for segmentation as well as the targeting as a marketing strategy. Two strategies to find out customers. The next one is how. How is the sense? Differentiation. Come. Positioning. First, as a company, what it does? First, he has to analyze the total market, and among the market, divide the market. Under the market, segment the market, which segment gives more profits to the company. Then there are last one, focus on them, which means we have to focus on under one segment customers, as well we have to focus on those customers and consumers, and create a value for them, then make them into profitable customers. The ultimate goal is a decent product from Hero. Recent bike. Sorry?
Metro.
Mastro and the brand ambassador of Mastro is Ranbir Kapoor. When we coming to marketing management strategies and the marketing mix. Here, in order to create the value for the customers, first we require strategies. What are those strategies? We have to divide the market segmentation. Then next one is targeting. Which one do we target? I will explain how what are those. Then I will show you. This is one. So we have to create a profitable customer relationship. What we require? First we require segmentation. Next targeting. Position, differentiating as well as the position. The word is not in it. Okay? 4 are things. For that, we require product, price, promotion as well as the places. These 4 called as the integration marketing.